Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you super easy pattern. So this also you can make 1 meter chain long. You can measure your chain. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. You can't make any number chains. So I'm gonna make single crochet, made 30, make just one. If you want to make 1 meter, you have to make chain 1 meter. If you want to make 90 centimeter blanket, you can make. If you want to make, you can make heart in this pattern, heart, scarf, blanket. So this row I'm gonna make just single crochet. This is so easy pattern. It's pretty good for beginner. Can follow easy. If someone learner, then it's pretty good for learner. This pattern. I'm using double knitting yarn, 3mm hook. So this row is end. I'm gonna turn my work, make first stitch in here, then next, not yarn over, like this. I've got 3 loops on the hook. I'm gonna tie them. Same stitch, 1 1, next, together, same stitch, then next. This will go like this pattern. So easy. 1 time same place, next, same, next, same, next, to continue like this. I hope viewers you can follow easy this pattern. So here at the end, when you make this row, second row how I made, then you have to make one at the end here to make one single crochet, then chain one, single crochet each. So this row, one row like this, always with single crochet. Next, again I'm gonna make like this cloth, same. So one row like this. Okay viewers, I will show you at the end. So continue one row single crochet, one row like this, same place, then next one row like this. So I will show you at the end. Now nothing change, continue like this pattern. Okay viewers, now this pattern is I'm gonna finish in here. You can see it's pretty good pattern, easy, very super easy, and so nice as well. It's good for heart. You can make heart, scarf, blanket. It's pretty good pattern and so soft. Even beginner can make this pattern. You can use more than one color. You can use 2 color, 3 color if you want. You can change color if you want after one row. When you make single crochet, then you can change color if you want. So I hope you like this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You can have my new video if you press bell icon. So I will show you easy pattern as well. You can follow easy. So I hope you like this pattern.